So hello guys, welcome back to the new stream. So I have to check my audio and all, so just give me some minutes to set up it all. Okay. So hello guys, welcome back to the new stream. Okay, so I'm all set. The stream is perfect, the audio is perfect, the video is perfect. I have checked it. Uh, Let me just drop that link on my Telegram. Okay, so I've shared the link on the Telegram also. Now let me just check if people are there. Okay, hello Mangesh. Hello Akash, hello. So just let me know if you guys are having a nice audio from my side. Okay. Hello Jeevan, hello. Okay, so things are clear from my side on the video and audio. Let's just look into the charts. There's a news at 9:30 right now. Okay, so I'm just waiting for the news. Also, there's a problem with Tradovate users right now that we cannot execute any trades right now on evolution accounts or any our real accounts on from Tradovate. Okay, there's a issue going on with Tradovate, so all the orders are getting rejected from the Tradovate. So there's a news. Okay, this is a news candle 9:30. Okay, what's my bias right now? Let's shift into the H1 chart. Oh, sorry. So we have some buy side liquidities at top. Okay. Oh, okay. 9:30 Indian Standard Time. Okay. So this is just equity open candle. Okay. So we have some buy side liquidities here. Okay, on NASDAQ, and if we move on to the H1 chart, I can show you something that we are reacting from this BPR level. Okay, what was the London session? The London session was expansion. Okay, not like expansion, but it was a bullish move towards this BPR. So it's Monday, and if we are having a New York reversal profile, then we can short the market. Okay, what can we use to short the market? We can use this wick. Okay, that's an bearish order block. we can short the market from this wick towards this sell side, and then this fair value gap as our targets. Okay, uh, since this was a good displacement candle, so I'm considering it as a real displacement. Okay, that the buy side liquid previous day high and this previous day low, we are at equilibrium right now. We can consolidate here, no problem at all. Okay, we can consolidate. It's Monday also, so that's not a high probability day, so definitely we can consolidate, or we can also take this buy side liquidity here. Okay, why we can take this buy side liquidity here? Because we have this entry fair value gap here. Okay, let me mark this fair value gap. This is also an H1 fair value gap, and the consequent encroachment of this fair value gap has been supported by the price. Okay, so also we have SMTs at the lows. Okay, we have SMT at the lows right here, a small SMT, that's not a big SMT, but yeah, we have SMT, a very small SMT. Yeah, so that's why I'm bearish right now. uh, I would, I can also go long if I see any good displacement in the market. Okay, but right now I'm not interested, because this equal highs has been swept by the ES and not by the NASDAQ. Okay, so we have this huge SMT here. Let's move on to the 15-minute chart so we can frame our trades. Okay, we are rejecting from this order block body. Okay, that the this blue line is the order block. Okay, M15 order block. But how we can use this M15 order block? If we see a good displacement from here, then only we'll consider it. Else you can see the price we have, because we have some clean buy side resting here. Okay, when I started the stream, I pressed my button for buy side. Okay, I got stopped out because there was new scandal. Okay, here this is a paper trading account. Okay, this is a paper, we cannot execute any live trades on Tradeovate right now due to some issues, so I'm just paper trading. So I long from this fair value gap, and there's a IFVG here also, so I long from this place. I got stopped out here. Some this were some random trades. Okay, but right now whatever I will execute, it will be of like only high probability setups, because after 9:30 is the real time for the New York session, so that's why. So ES is going for this fair value gap. We have a BPR here. Okay, this is a BPR, and that's the last fair value gap, 1 minute last fair value gap on ES. And on NASDAQ, we are cleaning this buy side liquidity equal highs, and we also have this buy side resting at this BPR level. Okay, so let's see what market serves to us. Right now my bias is bearish. Okay, my bias is bearish for sure. uh, Midnight open is below 9:30 open. This is the midnight opening price. We also have a new day opening gap. Okay, let me show you. We have the new day opening gap. Okay, here we have the new day opening gap. See, there's a huge new day opening gap. Okay, the closing price of this candle and the opening price of this candle, we have this new day opening gap. And I think the sell side delivery is still left. Okay, we have some enough liquidity here for the market to come towards this new day opening gap, so that's why I'm also bearish. This is one of the reason also. Okay, so I want to short the market. Okay, so let's see if this candle can give us the change in state of delivery. We have cleaned the buy side liquidity right here. uh, we tapped into the breaker also, like we are rejecting from the breaker block. But if I go to the 5 minute chart, then it is just not looking good to me. Okay, so that's a rejection block on 15-minute chart. Okay, this buy side liquidity is a rejection block on 15-minute chart. Okay, this will be the let me just remove this boxes. Okay, so market has cleaned this buy side liquidity, not given any displacement till now. It means right now we are waiting for the displacement. Okay, so this three candles, look at this three candles, we have this immediate rebalance here. Okay, we have this immediate rebalance here. This is an immediate rebalance, and we are still waiting for the change in state of delivery. Okay, you cannot short the market right here. Okay, you have to wait. So if market will close below this blue line, that will be the change in state of delivery. Is it a high probability change in state of delivery? Not for me. Okay, what is this green box? This green box is a H1 last fair value gap. Okay, bullish fair value gap. If the body closes below it, retrades towards this change in state of delivery, I can press my button. Okay, still here we didn't get the change in state of delivery. See, so that's why I should not press any of my buttons here. Okay, um, I'm expecting the market can go towards this buy side liquidity also. Okay, because there's a news at night. Okay, at 9:30 Indian Standard Time. So till that market may consolidate, because we had some run before the 9:30 opening. From 7:30 to like 9:30 we had a small run. Okay, which attacked the London session low, I think. Okay, okay, yeah, London session low has been attacked. So that's why although my bias is bearish, but I think this buy side liquidity should be taken. Okay, this buy side should be taken, and we may see here, we may fill this imbalance. Okay, let me mark it. This is a 1 minute fair value gap. Okay, so we may go towards this fair value gap and fill this. Okay, fill this is possible. Also guys, Bitcoin, right now Bitcoin is like having some nice setups for longs towards the all-time highs. So if you guys want to invest, then do your research on that, and you can invest on Bitcoin also. Okay, okay, so this is a good displacement for me. Okay, that's a good displacement. The last FVG on ES is also now converted into an IFVG. So yeah, I can trade here and target this buy side liquidity. Okay, although I should press my buttons on ES, but right now I don't have time to change my settings or change my chart. uh, this will be the bullish order block. Okay, this whole thing will be a bullish order block. Okay, I missed the entry here. This was the order block entry. Why I'm not choosing this fair value gap and all? Because the drawn liquidity is clear here. Okay, yeah, I can wait for it to come towards this fair value. Okay, I think it will not come to this fair value gap. Maybe it will just come towards this order block's body and then again move towards the upside. This is possible. Okay, so see here, the buy side liquidity is getting taken. From where there's always a story behind it. We are coming from entry fair value gap of H1. Okay, this green box is the last fair value gap, and we have a entry fair value gap on H1 also. Let me show you see this fair value gap. I this fair value gap opening time is midnight open and London session open. So this is a good fair value gap. How will you know if this is a good fair value gap or not? uh, by watching the reactions. Okay, by watching the reaction. So all this price action started from this fair value gap also. There is a change in state of delivery, not by terms of only order block, but with the terms of PD arrays. Okay, see, this wick got support from the price. Okay, all the bullish discounted bullish arrays was getting support from the price, so that's why I was thinking that this buy side can be taken, although my bias is bearish, but I can think that this buy side liquidity can be easily taken. And yeah, I also pressed my button for longs, but equities open are little riskier to trade, so it stopped me out. But yeah, no worries, no worries. If you mark the 930 candle, 931 candles wick, then you can just see how the CE of the wick was getting supported by the price. Okay, so yeah, the buy side has been taken. We again tapped into the BPR CE level. Okay, I'm watching all this thing as Judah swing. Okay, I think this is just a Judah swing. uh, we will eventually fall, okay, most probably, but right now, till it's not falling, just enjoy the ride, because we have, see, market always leave behind some liquidity, so these are the low resistance liquidity run here. Okay, so if market will get a chance, then it will attack towards this sell side also. Let's just see the previous day high is at all-time highs. So maybe market will not go towards this 741 level, but it's possible because it's just 100 points from here. Okay, my eyes are on this BPR level. Okay, we have cleaned the buy side. Now I want to see what's the power of this BPR. Oh, sorry, this is a fair value gap, but there's a BPR also. Okay, there's a 1 hour BPR. See, we are inside a 1 hour BPR, and this box is a 1 minute fair value gap. We have taken out the buy side liquidity. Let's move on to the 4 hour chart, although I don't use it much, but yeah, let's just see it. Okay, there's nothing on 4 hour chart. On 2 hour chart also there's nothing. 1 hour chart, 1 hour chart also we have nothing. So let's just wait. There's no high probability thing right now for me, anything. Okay, nothing is there for me high probability right now. See the reaction. Damn. That's what I was talking about, that this is just a Judah swing. Okay, this is the false move. The BPR CE got respected here, and a huge candle. Okay, this is approximately 45 candles on NASDAQ. That is a big thing without any news. Is this a good tradable price action right here? No, definitely no. Why? Because we have a news. Okay, we have a news pending. That's the main reason. Like, if you are trading NASDAQ, then you have to focus on economic calendar a lot. I was not doing it on the beginning, uh, but yeah. What's that orange box? Okay, Malik bhai, that orange box is a 1 minute last fair value gap of that. There's a price lag. Okay, let me just show you. Okay, let me just show you. Uh, this fair value gap is inside H1 BPR, and this is the last fair value gap of this price lag. Okay, of this price lag, this is the last fair value gap, and last fair value gaps are very uh, like works as a strong resistance if we are expecting some bearish price action. So let's see. Okay, we tapped into the last fair value gap of H1. Okay, BC, but my bias is bearish, so I'm expecting it to get filled, not support the price. Let's just see how it serves us. Okay, the sell side has been attacked beautifully right here. Okay, that's cool. We have a new day opening app, huge new day opening app here, and inside the new day opening app we have some low resistance liquidity runs. Okay, there's some relative equal lows right here at 49,530. Okay, and also Yeah, there's a trend line liquidity also here, so I think 530 20530 is important like drawn liquidity for us. Okay, yeah, that's a nice entry here. Okay, that's a nice entry, but yeah, this is a risky one. Okay, although there is a change in state of delivery, market structure shift, fair value gap 2022 model, but we have this last fair value gap BC here, and also a new day opening gap, and I avoid trading uh, like just above or just below the new day opening gaps because price may consolidate here. Okay, we although also we have a news, so all these things are telling us that this price action is a low probability price action. Yeah, but I will press my buttons here, okay, whenever I will get a chance, because this is a paper trading account and I am free right now. Also, I don't trade PM sessions, so that's why I can press my buttons. Okay, this is a fair value gap. If you are demo trading or paper trading, then yeah, definitely you can also press your buttons whenever you think there's a good setup. Okay, then definitely go ahead and press the buttons. These three down candles are the breaker blocks. Okay, this three down candles from wick to wick, this whole thing is a like a breaker blocks. Okay, we have this IFEG here. Okay, this is a low probability price action, we can get chopped up. Why? Let me show you the 5-minute chart. Just see the 5-minute chart. Do you have any displacement? Do you have any PDRS which will support you in 1-minute chart? No. So definitely you will get chopped up. This is the reality, bro. Most of the people just open the chart on 1 minute and tries to press the buttons. The same thing I was also doing on my like previous futures account, eval account. Like whenever I was getting the chance, I was just pressing my buttons without seeing the high time frame of 5 minute, 15 minute. So uh, it just never works like that. Okay, you have to get one PDRA of high time frame to support your idea on low time frame. Okay, for example, there was this fair value gap. This is a 5-minute fair value gap. If you want to press buttons, then on 1 minute you can press the buttons from this fair value gap. Do you see anything like that here? You don't have anything like that. Okay, and trading buy side and sell side liquidity is like most difficult thing. Okay, so I don't like to trade ERL to IRL type of stuff, so I want IRL to ERL type of stuff, and price should support me with some low time like high time frame PDRAs. So since there is no even 5-minute fair value gap, I'm just avoiding it. Okay, yeah, I have not muted me myself. Okay, although there is a 5-minute change in state of delivery, but I need a clean IRL setup, IRL to ERL setup to press my buttons. So let's just wait for the price. Okay, it tapped into the BPR. There are some huge BPRs here, man. I don't like to press buttons in this type of price action. It also went to the OTE levels. Okay, let me just mark it. Yeah, from premium to discount, from premium to external drain liquidity. Yeah, it's possible. Just imagine if you press the button here, 20621. Where will you place the stop loss? Okay, let me just show you. If this is a fair value gap and you are pressing the button here, where will you put the stop loss? At the high of the fair value gap, and this is almost 30 point stop loss on NASDAQ. So this is not a good thing. Okay, this is not a good thing. Then you have to take almost 60 points take for profit. If I'm doing EMINI one contract also, then there's a $600 risk here, and I want to target $1,200 profit, which is yes, you can do it, but this is not a high probability uh, like price action to do that. Okay, my eyes are on midnight opening price, because I think price will come below it. Okay, I'm expecting it. My bullish bias is now clear. Okay, as I told that although I am bearish, but price may take this buy side liquidity and again fall. I told you guys this thing on the starting of the stream also only. Okay, and so market took this buy side, then this sell side, but there was no setup form. Okay, there was no setup form. So what does price is telling me? That this is not a clean price action day. This is what market is telling me. Now if you guys have any questions, then please drop it, because I'm not gonna do a long stream right now. Okay, hello, hello, hello brother, hello and good evening to everyone. Okay. Like I was just thinking that if my headphone will work or not, because uh, I have only one puppy left on my house. Okay, he's the son of my female German Shepherd. He just like destroyed my headphones, man. When I was sleeping today in afternoon, so I just forgot to keep it uh, in my wardrobe, and it was in just on my table. He just like fucked my headphones. He chewed the wires. He has not done anything on my headphones. He just chewed the wires. But I don't know how the mic is still working, but I'm not able to listen to anything, any audio from my headphones. So that's the issue. I've just put the tape on the wires, so that like I can at least save it from any more damages. But the mic is working, but there's no response from the headphone speaker. बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है सर. थैंक यू मनोज भाई, थैंक यू. हाँ यार, मैं हिंदी में भी यहाँ पे स्ट्रीम कर सकता हूँ, मेरे को कोई इशू नहीं है. Same happened with me by my friend's puppy. Bro, I've suffered a lot because of puppies. Like whenever they get 2 months old, like matlab, they get so much aggression towards the things, because they are getting new teeth, na? They are developing new teeth, so they want to chew things. Although I've given him a lot of toys, but still he wants to fuck my things, my bag, my my chairs, plastic chairs, and suitcases. Fuck, man. But no worries, no worries. So this is an important thing. Let me tell you one important thing about like any market, that if you know that you are in a equilibrium price action, then man, you are just like, you can easily predict the market to be choppy or not. Okay, we know we are in a equilibrium stage right now, so that's why we are not very aggressively trading. Okay, so knowing when to trade on NASDAQ and this forex and futures, this is little easy. So the ghost is telling on Telegram that okay, so we are expecting the price action to be choppy now. We are expecting it to be choppy. Why? There's a reason. There's a reason behind it. See, this is a BPR. Okay, the above, in above buy side we have some BPRs, that is the bearish BPRs. We have some bullish favorable gaps below that. Okay, below the price action where we are trading right now, we have some bullish favorable gap below it, and above it we have some bearish favorable gaps, and both the things are getting respected by the price. Why? There's a reason why they are getting respected. Else market would have run for the drawn liquidity. Why it is getting respected on both the sides? Because the price is at equilibrium. It is accumulating more orders. Okay, in a high time frame, if you will see, this will look like huge sideways market. And on sideways market, what is happening? Most of the time it will double purge and then move towards the drawn liquidity. So what has happened here? The firstly, the buy side has been taken, then the sell side has been taken. Okay, after the buy side, the sell side has been taken. Now where should price the move? Let me just know where the price should move. It should fall or it should go again upside. Just let me know. Like, for me, I'm just okay with both the sides. Okay, but my bias is bearish. Okay, I'm bearish. I want to see it taking this low resistance liquidity runs here. Okay, this trend line liquidity, I want to see it taking this liquidity. But till now I've not got that run on price which will tell me that yeah, the price is going for this liquidity now. Okay, so I'm just waiting for it. This blue lines are the new day opening gap. Okay, this is the new day opening gap. I'm removing it. Okay, I just know there's a new day opening gap below. So the sell side delivery is still left for the new day opening gap. So this is one more reason for me to short the market. Okay, so focus should be on this wick. Okay, the focus should be on this wick. Just see the C of this wick is getting respected for the short. Okay, I think there's so much lines on my chart. I'm just removing this box. Okay, just I know there's a last favorable gap. Okay, I know that, so I'm removing it. I'm also removing this buy side liquidity. I know the market has taken this buy side liquidity right here. This let me just change it to dashed lines. Okay, so this middle line is so this middle line is the CE of the 15-minute wick. Okay, uh, there's a macro going on right now. There's a macro. Okay, we have SMT. Let's see. We still don't have a nice displacement right now. Whatever we will do right now will be just low probability, and most probably it will give us stop loss. So that's why we are paper trading. I'm pushing my button right here. Stops above this SMT. Okay, it can take my stop loss. Definitely there's a huge chances market can take my stop loss, but yeah, I'm just trying to see the if I can catch the price. Okay, I'm catching the price. Okay, I'm moving for the price. This is not a good thing to do. Okay, so this is also not a high probability thing to do. So see, there is a BC here, there's a CB here. It's a fight between both. This is not a high probability thing. Okay, we are getting like respect from this last favorable gaps. Okay, so yeah, it can take my stop loss, no worries. I'm all okay with that, because price action is choppy. This is a low probability market. If you accept the risk, then only press the buttons here, and no, don't cry for that. Okay, because this is a paper trading account. I'm just demo trading it. Thanks to Trade-O-Wait. Like they've got some issues on their account, so that no one can trade. Okay, no one can trade on Trade-O-Wait right now. I don't know if it's solved or not, but no one can trade till that issue is not solved. And that's good, because the price action is so messy right now. So it's so good that we are saving our money, because in this type of price action only most of the eval account gets blown up. Okay, because people, for example, I got stopped out here. Now what will happen? I will again press my buttons. Maybe I will press my button for the long side, and what will happen is there is a BPR here and price will again move towards the downside and it will take my stop loss again. This can definitely happen, definitely happen. Okay, there's a huge chances this can happen to any like intermediate trader also. So let's see. We got stopped out one time, no worries, no worries. As we know, the price action right now is unfavorable to us and it is waiting for the news. Okay, that's the reason it is giving us both sides. This is a BPR, balance price range. Let's see if it reject the price or if it move. If it breaks this, if it closes above this, then it will attack this sell side. Then maybe it will go and move for some buy side liquidity also. So let's see what we can do is we can mark some buy side liquidity from here also. There's a relative equal highs here. Okay, 20712 and 20647. These are the buy side liquidities. Let's just wait for this BPR to be broken or to reject the price. Moving on to the 5-minute chart, we still don't have anything. Okay, we even don't have an order block. Okay, to support us. So let me mark. If we close above this candle, this will definitely act as support. Okay, if we close above this, then we will get a high probability setup from here. For what? For this buy side liquidities. What is my bias? My bias is bearish, but I can attack the buy side liquidity with the market. Okay, this is 5-minute order block. Price is not yet closed above it, so I'm not gonna use it right now, but when price will retrade into this order block, I'm gonna use it. Okay, I'm gonna use it. Why is this order block? Why is this order block? Because this is a last down close candle and last swing low which has taken the sell side liquidity. So yeah, that is enough for me to call it as a order block, because even if you go to the 3-minute chart, this is the last down close candle. So yeah, I can take it as a order block. Now the price action which will happen after the 5-minute candle closes, and if the price come towards this 5-minute order block, then that will be the high probability price action for you, and it will attack the buy side liquidity. Okay, that will be the high probability thing. Okay, so 5-minute candle has been closed. Okay, I'm gonna mark the wick also. I'm gonna mark the wick also. So price has not yet closed above the wick, but so let's just use this body, and also let's mark the wick CE. Okay, just see the price action at this wick level. Okay, and if I want to use my order flow drills, then we can mark from 9:30 to 9:45. This is a 15-minute order flow, and 15-minute order flow is bullish. This is the last 15-minute highs which should be which should respect the price if it wants to go higher. Okay, yeah, as you see this wick supporting the price, IFVG also here. Now this wick, this 1-minute candle wick is also important. we have 3 minute favorable gap here. Okay, at the M5 order block open, we have 3 minute favorable gap. This will be high probability setup. I'm just waiting for it. This dotted lines are the 5 minute wick. Okay, 5 minute wick CE. Okay, this should hold the price. Okay, like if it wants to attack the buy side without taking this imbalances, then this should hold the price. Should you press the buttons here? No, 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 you should not press the buttons. It is for tape reading purpose, it is for studying purpose, that how this wick, because we are in a premium na, you don't have to press the buttons on premium. But should market always come to discount? No, 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 no. It is not necessary. Price may just take the support from the week and again move towards the buy side liquidity. It is possible, but you don't have to press the buttons here. Okay, you have to press the buttons at the discounted levels. So I know many people who just trade macros. Okay, like they want a high time frame PDRA, like 5 minute 15 minute PDRA. They pair it up with macros timings, and they get easy setups which have almost 60 to 100 ticks on NASDAQ. Like so so you can only trade macros also. It is possible, and to trade only macros and make money, yeah, that is possible. It will stop you from over trading. Okay, if you want to just trade macros, you will not over trade, because you will wait for the perfect setup at macro, and macro delivers nice setups. Okay, macro delivers it. Okay, I'm gonna press my button here. Okay, stop will be below this order block. This down close candle is order block for me. This down close candle is order block. Where can I hold the trade? -1. Okay, -1 is possible. Or we can mark from the manipulation leg. Then okay, also this is not a good entry now, because we have not yet tapped into the 5 minute order block. This is not a good entry. And I'm just measuring some things. Okay, -2 is right here. -1 is already delivered. Okay, -1 is delivered from this manipulation leg of the macro beginning. Okay, when the macro started, there was a manipulation, and the manipulations -1 is like easiest low hanging fruit target, and it has been delivered. Now -2 will be the easy target, so I'm gonna take my target at -2. If I get stopped out, that's no issue. Okay, this is a paper trading account. I'm just reading the price. Okay, I will never press my button on eval account right here. I will never do it. I'm just trying to read the price here. Okay, okay, so this buy side liquidity will be targeted right now. Then this -2 standard deviation, from this 3 down close candle, from this 3 down close candle. I'm gonna mark this -2 and then this buy side liquidity. These three candles are the order block, na? This three candle, but the last down close candle is important because this has taken the previous some liquidities, previous candles liquidity. I'm gonna like set a buy limit here at the opening again. Okay, if it again trade toward the opening, I will get this order filled. Okay, the stop will be below the order block and target is 20706. TP or SL. Okay, I don't want anything else. I will not close this trade at break even. This is 1:2 risk reward trade. But yeah, this is not a high probability trade. I'm just being honest. Okay, there's a 3-minute CRT can also happen here, so I'm being honest that this is not a good trade. Okay, we have 5-minute order blocks here and all. Yeah, this is not a good trade. Yeah, this is not a good trade. Definitely this is not a good trade because we are at the closing of the M15. Okay, so maybe market will take this buy side and then it will again move towards this 5-minute favorable gaps to take the support and then move towards the buy side. It is possible. Okay, it is possible. So these are the times when you should have to take some partials at this buy side liquidity and move your stop loss to break even because to avoid further loss. These are the times. We have some SMTs. Okay, we have SMTs. Yeah, cool. Now what am I expecting from the next 15-minute candle is if it takes the this high and it doesn't closes above this, then yeah, this is not a good thing for us. Then I will expect this 5-minute order block to hold the price. Okay, so we have got the field of two orders of buy. Okay, stops are just at this equal lows, which is not a good stop loss again, but yeah, it is what it is. So I'm gonna book one partials at this level so that I can at least get my 1:1 risk reward with 50% quantity here. So these highs are important. We are getting a new M15 opening now, so these highs are important. If there is a SMT with this high, then market will fall. If body closes above and there is no SMT, market will run for the buy side. If this wicks reject the price, then also price will fall. So there are only three possible situations from this wick. Okay, I'm gonna mark this wick. The highest wick is this one. So price will reject from here or price will take support. This is a true level for us. Now things just depend upon our narrative, like how strong is our narrative, how strong we can find this narrative in our charts. Okay, also I'll be not able to stream. Okay, yeah, I will close my stream. I'm gonna update this position on my telegram. Okay, I'm sorry I'm not able to do the stream for long right now because like I have my family and friends coming up on my flat. Also today is my mom's birthday, so I'll be busy. But yeah, I'm gonna update this position on Telegram, so I'll be active on Telegram, but I will not be able to stream furthermore right now. Okay, so I'm just closing the stream, guys. Thank you for joining. I hope I would have helped you. Okay, we will do the streams from tomorrow or day after tomorrow, but this is the time in which I'm little busy. I just can't stream because there are a lot of my friends, just they come to my home and all. I have to go outside, I have to go gym, so I just get busy at this time. So yeah, let's just see. Okay, so goodbye, I'm stopping the stream right now. Okay, goodbye.